dawn light turns the Matterhorn peak into a golden sentinel. We skim jagged ridges forged in ancient granite and ice. Humanity finds a fragile foothold on the precipice of sky. Autumn larches keep a lonely watch over the valley's shadow. Shadows race across peaks where light defines the ancient stone. Every drop from the glacier is time ticking through ages. Sapphire veins hold the Earth's history in silent blue hum. A swirling turquoise vortex carves paths through the hard ice. Frozen tides wind through the cradle of the Bernese Oberland. Silence reigns over granite scars left by the retreating winter. A vertical mile of rock humbles even the boldest hearts. Through stone arches, we glimpse a sanctuary of gold shadow. Mist blankets valleys, leaving peaks to converse with the stars. The mountain chough claims the rushing wind as its own. The observatory glows like a lighthouse on a frozen sea. Twilight lights mirror the brilliance of the vast frozen lake. Switzerland becomes a moving masterpiece behind the panoramic glass window. Limestone arches span the deep gorge with such effortless grace. Ribbons of history twist through the mist of Gotthard Pass. Out of darkness, we emerge into meadows of pure dreams. Turquoise jewels are set in the deep green forest velvet. Painted rafters tell centuries of history on the chapel bridge. Raw, untamed power roars through the heart of old Europe. Lake and stone walls conspire to create some liquid gold. Earth's breath is made of mist in the Waterfall Valley. Time moves slow across granite dreams carved in Ticino stone.
Clear water flows like liquid air over the ancient stones. Double arches find a bridge between present and the eternal. Final embers catch a Mediterranean soul in an Alpine body. Hand-laid stones weather the storms of 1,000 cold winters.
Rhythmic steel heartbeats connect a nation with such great precision. Scarlet streaks through emerald deep along the silver soul thread. The world pauses, waiting for the first train of dawn. Grand peaks unfold, having stood since the very beginning time. Above blue water, we find landscapes of such absolute serenity. Plateaus shadows reach out to touch the cool lakeside waters. Waves polish every shore stone in a slow, rhythmic dialogue. Perfect mirrors reflect where the water ends and heaven begins. White wakes carve a path through the deep, silent blue. Belle Époque. Ghosts still churn through the mountain's cold heart. Mist rises like wood smoke from the surface of the mirror. Divine golden rays filter through the thick, lush forest canopy. Falls become a theater of light and power after dark. Chillon Castle stands as a silent witness to passing ages. Historic rafters line the river, flowing gently through old Lucerne. Delicate ticking fills the modern studio overlooking the quiet lake. Medieval architecture reflects in the still waters of the lake. Green vines contrast with the deep blue of Lake Geneva. Red poppies bloom on the plateau under the Jura Mountains. Dust becomes fine mist before hitting the green valley floor. Resonant cowbells echo across the lush and green hiking paths. Stone windows frame the green mountains found beyond the village. Rhythmic rowing glides across the emerald and clear stone river. Forest birds sing over the viaduct in the summer gorge. Orange peaks reflect in the surface of remote mountain lakes. Gentians sway in the breeze at a very high altitude. Bubbly water rushes through the winding and cold mountain stream. Lone benches overlook peaks from small patches of green grass. Orchestral brass swells above the sun-drenched and massive Alpine peaks. Drone tracking through mist past several of the many waterfalls. Morning light catches the spray of the falling water veil. Flower boxes line the chalets of the beautiful mountain village. Mechanical hums follow the cable car up the steep cliffs. Water spirals through corkscrew rock formations hidden inside the mountain. Sun beats down on gray granite and the green hills. Emerald water flows over sun-bleached stones in the rushing river. Stone arches frame the iconic bridge over the roaring river. Soft ripples move across Lake Maggiore during the final sunset. Sharp stone taps echo while repairing traditional Ticino stone roofs. Wildflowers bloom in meadows under the distant and high mountains. Large bells swing as the Emmental cow grazes on grass. Majestic orbits follow the peaks mirrored in the clear water. Single lights glow from old barns at the blue hour. Celestial crowns of the Milky Way erupt over the range. Full moons turn the glacier into a ghostly silver river. Soft silence follows snow falling in the quiet mountain village. Swirling stars pass over the observatory into the infinite night. Resonant bells fill the valley before fading into eternal silence. Horizons dissolve into the soft blue of the morning sea. White petals drift on an infinite and blue lake ocean. Deep green hills vibrate with the life of the soil. Vertical cliffs speak of the Earth's violent and ancient birth. Clear water keeps secrets hidden by the deep green forest. Turquoise sanctuaries are guarded by walls of snow and shadow. Emerald power carves through the long history of the region. Resin scents fill the pine forests of the wild Engadin. Hidden eyes peer from the deep green of Flim's forest. Castles emerge from the mist like memories of Middle Ages. Golden hour light testaments to the labor of the vine. Majesty of the Alps reflects in single blades of grass. Turquoise tides rush against mountains, skimming the lake's surface now. cascading songs of snow and moss sing in every stream. Peace lives in valleys that never knew the city rush. Shadow and light dance across the world in constant motion. Brass swells as we orbit the majesty of the curve. Red sparks cross viaducts in a world of vibrant green. Hidden valleys feel like the very first day of creation. Symphonies of silence define the heart of worlds enduring